Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing new LED headlights for the high beams and low beams and LED fog lights in my 2019 F-150. I have a 2019 XLT F-150 and right now it just has the halogen bulbs in it, but they're really not that bright. They kind of suck at nighttime. So I bought these new Auxito LEDs off of Amazon. And I'm going to show you guys what you need to install them and how to get them installed. And then we're going to check them out and see how bright they are tonight. So for your high beams, you're going to want HB3s, which are these right here. You can see HB3, or the other number is a 9005. Then for your low beams, you're going to want an H11, which could either be an H8, H9, H11. They're all the same. And then for your fog lights, you're going to want an H10. So you can see there it says H10. So when you open the package, you get a nice little Auxito manual. You get some zip ties, some little O-rings, and a Allen key. But these are the lights themselves. They look very good quality. I've actually owned a bunch of Auxito stuff in the past, and they're always really bright lights. And I've never had any problems with them. Never had one go out or anything. They didn't pay me or send these for free or anything. I bought these myself. But yeah, I'm excited to get them in. I think they're gonna make a big difference in the truck. So let's go ahead and start the install. All right, so you're gonna need a 7/32 socket. And then you're gonna wanna turn your wheel all the way so you can get as much room as you can in here. And we're gonna have to undo 4 bolts. So there's one right here, one right here, and then you can't really see them, but there's 2 up here behind this fender flare. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those 4 bolts off, and again, they're 7/32. So go ahead and undo those. All right, quick tip. I'm gonna throw this in here before you get too far along in the video. There's a clip right here, and I didn't take it off at first, but if you go ahead and take that off now, while you're taking off these bolts, that is gonna make this so much easier. It's gonna give you a lot more room. So clip right here, just unscrew it and then pull it out, and it'll make this a lot easier. All right, once you get the 4 bolts out, you're gonna wanna take your wheel well liner and peel it back behind your tire. And then that's gonna give you access in here to your bulbs. So up first, we're just gonna do this one right here, which should be your high beam. And we're gonna take this grommet off. So to get the grommets off, you literally just pull on these tabs as hard as you can, and the grommet will just pop off. So nothing special there, you just pull these, and it literally just pulls straight off. So now what you're gonna wanna do is, there's your headlight. You're gonna wanna rotate it counterclockwise. All right, so I got the light out, it just twists counterclockwise, and then you pull it out. So we're gonna unclip it right here. So you just push that up and pull it out, and your light's out. So now we gotta get the new one and put it in there. All right guys, I got the new bulb in there. So you literally just stick it in there and twist it clockwise. It's the exact opposite of how you took the other bulb out. So now we need to plug it up right here, and it literally just snaps in there. Let's see, I don't know if I can do it with one hand. There we go. It just snaps in like that. And then we're gonna take this and just kind of shove it up in here and try to hide it. And then we're gonna take our dust cover and snap it back onto place. All right, so we got the dust cover back on. So now all we're gonna do is test it just to make sure it works before we go any further. All right, as you can see, it is working. We got the LED light in there. And this is our old halogen light on the other side, so you can see the difference in that yellow and then this white. So let's go ahead and get the rest of them changed out. All right, now for the low beams, they're up here. And it's gonna be the exact same process. It's just gonna be a lot harder for me to video, so I'm not gonna video this. But you literally do the exact same thing you do here, just up there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it swapped out over there. All right guys, so we've got the headlights done on this side, on the driver's side. So now I'm gonna be moving to the fog lights, which are the easiest one of all. They are right here, and you literally just twist these things to the left, counterclockwise, and they pull right out. And then you just wanna unclip the bulb from the wire. All right, got it unclipped. So now we're just gonna take our new bulb, and we're going to just plug it in. If I don't drop it. All right, so now once you get the new bulb plugged in, you're just gonna wanna stick it in there and twist it to the right. Oh, didn't have it lined up right. There we go. And there you go, the fog lights are now installed. All right, well that's what it looks like with the fog lights, high beams and low beams on. I have Bambi mode turned on in 4-scan, so it allows me to have my fog lights on with the high beams. But let's compare it to the halogens. Yeah, they're just old, dull yellow. These new LEDs are bright white. That's gonna be so much brighter at night, and it looks a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the other side installed, and then tonight I'll take some videos showing you guys how much brighter they actually are. All right guys, well that's it. That's all the lights. That's what it looks like, fully installed. So now once it gets dark, I will take some videos for you guys showing the actual light output at night, and we'll see how bright they actually are. All right guys, well here's the final product at night. That is bright, very bright. It's the light output, it is insane. Very bright, very happy with how it turned out. I'm gonna throw the GoPro on the windshield of the truck and do a little bit of driving so you guys can see like how bright the light output is at night going down the road. But thanks guys for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and I have more videos. I'm gonna do the LED reverse lights and cab lights, so stay tuned for that. I'll put a link in the description once I get it made, but I'll see you guys next time.